how to add forum page on your website menu on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to wix.com. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go to the top, click page. Now go right here, click on forum, choose a template, for example this one, click on it, wait a few seconds, and here you go right here. Now it's gonna be ready, as you can see. If this video was helpful, as you can see right here, the forum is ready. Now click here manage, so you can manage your forum, you can change the informations and add your informations. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.